wash your hands. Scrabble while you're singing the song. Wash. Snap your hands and fingers in the spaces in between. Using soap and water makes your hands so clean. Wash your hands. Make sure you're almost done.
For more from Sesame Street, check out the PBS Kids video app.
Hi, neighbor. I'm so glad you're here. I'm your best friend. This is a real magic-y place, Stu.
Ready to watch your favorite episodes of Work It Out, Wombats?
Yeah, it's showtime!
Gather all your friends from the Treeborhood and find a cozy spot to watch.
Show is starting.
Work It Out, Wombats. Watch now on PBS Kids. Sesame Street is made possible in part by...
For 2 decades and counting, Beaches Caribbean Resorts have been a proud sponsor of Sesame Street, inspiring imagination, sparking creativity, and nurturing well-being for families.
Learning healthy digital habits starts young. That's why Google is committed to helping families be safe and confident explorers. Google is a proud supporter of Sesame Street. And by viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids is traveling across America, exploring amazing places.
Sequoia National Park.
And meeting new friends. Roxy!
Are you talking to me?
Join Roxy and Ronald
Did you just enjoy a sequoia?
to explore the wonders all around us.
The stars are nature's nightlights.
Let's go!
Next on Austin PBS Kids.
America is turning 250. Road trip!
Welcome to the United States of America!
Africa, thanks. I've always wanted to come to Sequoia National Park. This is San Francisco.
All aboard!
Everybody buckled up?
Let's get up and go!
Denali is so big. The Statue of Liberty, amazing.
Let's get up and go! Let's get up and go!
Was made possible by a grant from the Gambrell Foundation with support from Christina and Evan Sharp and from viewers like you. Thank you.